Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Fitness channel. For a safe weight loss, try the Gen 129 diet. With so many quick fix diets and fads offered to us by the mass media promising to be the next best thing to bring about an effective and safe weight loss, it is no wonder the public is left confused as to which one to choose. Sadly, this permits exploitation from the many marketers and charlatans out to make a fast buck at the expense of the vulnerable. Even the so-called natural approaches for safe weight loss solutions are unrealistic, impractical, and often pricey, or are just the same one-dimensional gimmick cures disguised as holistic solutions. This leads one to conclude that we must go back to the basics when eating, not only for weight loss but for better health. Today, science has verified the accuracy of the biblical accounts of the dietetic habits of the first men on earth as recorded in Genesis chapter 1 verse 29, "Every herb bearing seed and every tree, in which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed, to you it shall be for meat." Obviously, this leads one to conclude that being a vegetarian, or more appropriately a vegan, will be the most effective route to go when pursuing a safe weight loss and improved health as goals. To be considered as well, from a spiritual and ethical point, when eating for health and weight loss, products from the animal kingdom should be excluded. As we do not have the power to restore life, we certainly do not have the right to kill. Every action has its reaction, and every good or bad action brings forth good or evil fruit. When the man was given permission to kill animals and eat their flesh, according to the Bible, animals were also given permission to slay and eat humans. "And your life will I seek, at the hand of every beast will I seek it." Gen 9-5. No wonder so many diseases such as obesity, cancer, rheumatism, asthma, and so on are traced to being caused by the consumption of animal products in the drugless healing cycles. Therefore, the recommended staples of your diet should be your fruits and vegetables. These substances constitute the mucus-less diet, otherwise known as the alkaline, disease-healing or Gen 129 diet. It provides you with all the necessary nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals needed for weight loss, improved health and overall fitness, and in conjunction with proper exercise will be more than unmatched in helping you achieve these goals. So let's go over the items that should constitute one's diet when eating for health and a safe weight loss. Safe weight loss diet, items for consumption, AC. 1. Apples. A subacid or sweet fruit, depending on its taste, is an excellent source of the B-complex vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, and soluble fiber to aid as an excellent intestinal broom and mucus absorber. Its origin is in the temperate regions of our Earth and is at its peak during the fall and winter seasons. 2. Avocados. A natural aphrodisiac and an excellent source of vitamins A, D, E, and K, fats, and a plethora of other minerals, this nutty-tasting fruit vegetable is a must-have for the health seeker. As great as it is a fruit, it should be eating in moderation, say 1 to 2 maximum a day, depending on your constitution, age, and level of physical activity. In season year-round. 3. Bananas. This should be a staple in any health seeker's diet, considering its year-round availability and durability. It's been hailed as having everything the human body needs and containing the 8 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Of course, it is the favorite of active kids. 4. Berries. Berries are high in minerals and vitamins, and they taste great. They are, like the apples, of temperate origins. Bears have been said to eat massive amounts of berries and obviously gain tons of strength and healthy weight from them. Berries, being of the acid fruit category, should be eaten in the earlier parts of the day. 5. Cabbage. Eat this vegetable raw, discarding of its outer leaves as well. Though it is not a dark green vegetable, it still stands its own as an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and E, with the essential amino acids included. Anybody ever heard of cold slaw? 6. Celery. Wrongly described as a lower vegetable void of nutrients, this salty and nutritious food is actually the powerhouse of life-giving nutrition. It combines with anything first of all, and I must admit, increases magnetism to the opposite sex for some strange reason. It is very alkaline forming and helps to relieve muscle cramping and fatigue. Wild, it is the favorite food of our cousin the gorilla. 7. Citrus. I mainly eat oranges. Most other citrus fruits don't appeal to my sense of taste, although they do have tons of vitamin C and calcium. This author has always been a sweet tooth. Tangerines, though, are excellent and ranked quite high as mucus-absorbing fruits, even higher than the lemon. As with all acid fruits, they are best eaten in the mornings or early afternoons. 8. Coconuts, young or green. These are available in Asian markets or your nearest health food store. They are good sources of grounding fats and proteins and are quite tasty in smoothies. For a light supper, try 1 to 3 followed by celery, lettuce, or blend with tomatoes and a little bit of salt and sea ranch French dressing, beg to be excused. Okay, that's AC of what should constitute a natural diet for a safe weight loss regimen. Needless to say, some form of exercise will be needed. You may choose to read on my article on yoga for weight loss, what you need know to succeed to see why I suggest yoga along with these obviously natural food items, but of course, whatever form of exercise suits your taste or needs will suffice. Let me add though, working with your own body weight may be the best choice, and you could at least borrow the warm-up routine of yoga known as the sun salutations. It'll only take you 5 to 10 minutes if that, but here's something to consider. Indian wrestlers and martial artists perform these exercises in dozens. Need I say more? Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, and hit the subscription bell to be notified whenever new content is published.